Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, you are also very much welcome. I am back again with another food recipe showing you how I made this chicken suya without oven or grill. Yes, you heard me right, I didn't use any oven or grill to make this suya. So I'll be showing you step by step process of making this suya, but first I will show you all the ingredients I will be using to make this suya. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. The first is all-purpose seasoning. I have got my ground garlic and ginger. And then I have got chicken seasoning, curry and thyme. I've got red chili pepper. And finally, I have got the main ingredient, which is the suya pepper. So basically, this is just some peanut, some ground peanut, and some chili powder. And then, of course, I've got my chicken, which I have already washed and cleaned properly. And then I have dried it because we don't want the chicken wet. So now I will be marinating my chicken with all the ingredients, starting from just the way I lined them up. My all-purpose seasoning, my garlic and ginger, my curry, thyme and chicken season, and then the red chili pepper. I won't be adding the suya pepper yet until later when I start to make the suya itself. I am adding half of the red chili powder, and then I'll leave the remaining half for when I start to make the suya. So once I have marinated all my chicken, I will be covering it with a cling film and then allowing it to marinate for at least an hour. I left this for 3 good hours because I had the time, but if you don't have the time, you're in a hurry, you can do it for just an hour. Now it is time to start making our suya. So first I will transfer all my chicken into my cooking pan. You can use a pot or a pan, whichever one you prefer. So I'll be transferring everything into a pot without adding any water or any liquid to it. So I will cover this and allow it to cook, but I will be stirring the chicken once in a while so that it doesn't burn. Don't forget, we didn't add any water to it, so it's really good to keep an eye on it and make sure it's not burning. So it still doesn't have any liquid in it yet, but soon you will see all the liquid that will be getting from the chicken. Because we didn't add any water to it, it is important we keep checking it once in a while and stirring it just to make sure that it's not burning. And then I'll cover it back and allow it to further cook. So now you can see all the liquid that is out of the chicken, so we actually didn't need to add any water. So I will be leaving this to keep cooking until the water is completely dried up. But if my chicken is cooked and I've still got little liquid in it, I will just take it off the stove and drain the water away. It doesn't really matter. At this point my chicken is completely cooked, so I'll just take it off the stove and then I'll start mixing the suya with the suya pepper. So I'm transferring my chicken into either a wok or a pan or a pot, anything that you actually prefer to start making the suya. So I'll transfer everything here. And then I'll be adding my Suya pepper. I only added about half of it, and then I'll mix it all together. And then I'll add the remaining red chili powder. And more of the Suya pepper. And then I will be adding some vegetable oil. In this situation I actually added olive oil, but you can add either vegetable oil or olive oil, anything of your choice actually. So I'll add as much as possible. And then mix everything together. You can see our suya is already beginning to look really nice. So I have just covered it a little just to steam for a little while, and then I'll take it off the stove, and my suya is basically ready. You can actually use this suya recipe on either beef suya or any kind of suya you want to make. And yeah, so I will be serving this suya with some tomato, some onions and some cucumbers. You can actually serve that with any vegetables of your choice. Some people serve their suya with cabbage and some onions. So basically it's all about preference. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you're new here, you have already watched to this stage and you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. I have got a lot of content that you'll be interested in. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.